rain country, God is good all the time. And I'm finally getting this food recipe collaboration put together. And if you're new to my channel, what these are, something I started last year where I thought it would be fun to do collaborations with my followers that have been making or doing things based on my videos. The first one was the craft collaboration where people took my sewing or crocheting videos and created something like skirts, aprons, hair ties, and more, took pictures of them and then sent them to me, and then I made a slideshow. And then we did a fermenting collaboration, which would include vinegars, homemade wines, kimchi, any of those kind of things. We've also done a gardening collaboration, even though that one didn't have to be based off any of my videos. That was also a fun one to do. Now keep in mind, the more popular ones, I'll be repeating those probably later this year. So if you want to be a part of those, just don't send me photos for those yet. Just make sure you're getting good quality photos of anything that you've made based on my videos. So this food recipe one was one of the hardest ones to get together. And what I'm going to do right here is put some images of things that I've made and done videos on that. So these first photos you're going to see are my own, so that when you see the photos coming up after that, you'll get a better idea of what they're supposed to be, because I'm not going to title what everything is. I'm just going to be putting the people's names, first name, channel name, whatever it is that they asked me to put in there with the images. The next one we're doing is the medicinal collaboration, which will probably already be closed out by the time you're seeing this video. And then after that is a dehydrating video. So to know when I'm closing these videos out and what's coming next, it's always best to watch my Monday this and that videos, because that's where I always do such announcements when I let people know, like, hey, I'm still trying to get images for this and that. And also to let them know when I'm closing it out and I'm not accepting any more entries for the video. So anyway, with that in mind, let's go ahead and move on to this slideshow so you can see all the things that people have created off of my recipes. And a lot of people take them and go their own direction with them, and that's totally cool, as long as it was at least they got the idea or inspiration from my instructional videos. So here we go. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that collaboration, and if you'd like to see the rest of the videos already in this collaboration and keep track of what's yet to come, please make sure you go down to the description box, open that up, and you'll find a link to that full playlist right in there. So click on that long horizontal box, or if you're on a smart device, it'll probably be the word more right over here on this side, or maybe even a little gray triangle. And that's how you open that up to find any of the video links or other types of information I'm putting in there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Take care, and God bless.